So today in this video, I will be making my Discord application to the next level, and I will be using the better Discord to use different kind of plugin to make it more attractive with lots of feature. So let's quickly get started. So you will need a better Discord. That again, I know it's against the Discord terms and conditions, but still I will be using it as none of these applications are going to harm anything. So once you come up here, you have to download it. If you have already downloaded, then you can skip this part. So click on the download button. Once downloaded, open the downloaded file, then hit the agreement box, click on next, click on install better Discord, click on next, choose your version, then click on install, and then finally it will be installed and it will be asking you to restart your Discord application. So if Discord comes up automatically, then it's fine, or else you will have to manually open the Discord application. So now when it comes up, you will see few kind of notification popping up. Now if you click on the user setting icon, look at the bottom, you will find the better Discord option here, and you will find all different kind of option like themes, plugin, update, and the settings. And now we are ready to make a Discord application to the next level and make it much more attractive with lots of features. So what you will have to do first, you need to go to the better Discord website. Now in the plugin section, you have to click on it. Now click in the box, type here to search, and the first plugin that we are going to download will be read all notification button. I will leave the direct link of all the plugin in the description so that you can directly come to the page. Now once you come up here, you have to click on download, and once it get downloaded, you need to go back to the Discord, click on the user setting again, then from the left hand menu option, click on plugins under the better Discord, then click on open plugin folder. So once the folder is up, close your Discord completely from here, then go back to the system tray icon at the right hand corner, right click on Discord and choose quit Discord. Now to make it more easier, what I will do that first I will be downloading all the plugin, then I will move those plugin to this plugin folder. So this is the condition that in order to use the better Discord plugin, you need to move all the downloaded plugin into the Discord plugin folder. Okay, so first we have already downloaded. Now the next one will be see all Discord hidden channels, and you will be getting here hide channel plugin that allow you to view any kind of hidden channel on Discord. So I will also download this. And the next one is the large messages. So we know that there is a limitation on Discord to send the messages, but we can exceed that limit by using this free plugin. So we will also download this, and then we have the plugin repo. We will also download it. So plugin repo basically help you to download all kind of plugin and theme from Discord only, and you don't have to go to better Discord website and search for anything. You can directly view and install any plugin, any theme from plugin repo only. And now the next one is my favorite, that is better animation, that basically create an amazing animation whenever you bring up anything on your Discord application. So this is the one. Again, click on download. Then we have the Google Translate, download it. And the last one that we have is the invisible typing. So this will help you to type anything without letting anyone know that you are typing anything on your Discord. Alright, so we have downloaded all the plugins. So now we will go to the downloaded folder. So these are the plugins that we have downloaded. So now what I will do, I will bring up the Discord plugin folder that we opened before. Then I will move all these plugins in the Discord library. So move one by one. You can drag and drop here. So once it's been done, now you can close everything. Now bring up your Discord now. And this time when you bring up your Discord, and if you click on the user settings, from the left hand menu option, you go to plugins. So you will find all these plugins has been installed here. You only need to enable it. Okay, so I will enable the better animation, then hide channels, invisible typing. So you will have to enable all these plugins that you have installed. So once it's been installed, now you can close it. And then on the left hand corner, if you find that there is a button called by the name read all. So if I click on it, so you will see all the notifications have been read now, and I don't have to manually go to individual server or channel to read all kind of notification to get rid of this notification icons. Okay, so this is a very useful feature for the people who want to quickly read all the notification and get rid and want to make their Discord neat and clean. And the next one, we have the Discord hidden channel. So if you now go to any of your Discord server, so whichever channel has been hidden, you can quickly view it and you don't have to do anything because you are already done by downloading and installing the plugin. So visit any of the server where you think that channels are being hidden. Now you can easily view it. And now the next one that we have is the sending the large messages. So if you want to send large message on any kind of server, channel, or to individually to anyone, so there is a limitation of 2000 word even it shows up here. And if I keep typing, there comes a time that after 2000 you will not be able to type anything. But with this plugin, you can see I can type more than 2000 words, and even you can see it's around 8022 words, right? So with this way you can send unlimited text messages on Discord without any kind of limitations. Now it doesn't mean that you start spamming on any kind of server or to anyone. It's only for the people who want to send any kind of large messages, like some kind of code or script or anything. Then you can use this plugin. Now the next one, we have the plugin repo. As I said, that this plugin will help you to download or install any kind of plugin directly from Discord only. You don't have to go to Discord, Better Discord website. So if I go to my user settings, and in the Better Discord section, you will find the plugin repo here. And if I click on it, so you will see that I can browse, I can view, I can search all the plugins directly from Discord application only. Alright, the next one that we downloaded is for the better animation. So now you can see if I hover up to anything, so you will see a great kind of animation now. And if I bring up any of the server, so you will see the animation. Right, it really looks cool now. And even if I hover up on anything, like you can see there is a kind of animation. Can you see that? It looks really cool. And you can also manage these animation style. So for that you have to go to user settings, then go to the plugins, look for better animation, click on the setting options. Then here you'll find all kind of animation. So if you want to change anything for particular channel animation, then you can change it. If you want to change for the setting animation, then you can change it for the messages, for the pop out, expression pickers animation. So these are the settings that you can check it out. Now the next one that we have is a Google Translator. So if anybody send you the messages that is in a different language, so you can easily translate that messages now. And now you can see that I have a message here that is from a different language, that is a Hindi language. And if you want to translate it, so you need to select that particular text, right click on it, and then you will be getting an option here, translate message. And if I click on it, so you can see the text has been now translated in English. And now the last one that we have is the invisible typing. So if you want that while typing on Discord, nobody should know that you're typing something, then you can just go with this option, as this plugin has been already installed. So you have to keep this to disable with a red line on it. And now if you type anything, nobody will know that you are typing anything on any particular server, channel, or individually to anyone. So these are the best plugin, guys, that will surely make your Discord application to the next level with some and best advanced feature that will surely help you to get the better performance. So that's all, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.